Now I'm going to show you how to find the product of two binomials by using the FOIL method. FOIL meaning the F is the first term, the O is the outer term, I stands for the inner term, and the L stands for the last term. So what we're going to use is a form of distributive property, because you know how to multiply between the binomials. So let's start it off. So we have our x plus 7 times x plus 4. So our first terms are, we have x and x. Notice they're the first ones in each parenthesis. So these are our first terms. So that's x times x plus, and we're adding all these. So plus, then we have our outer terms, which are x and 4. Okay, those are our outer terms. Notice they're on the far outside of both of the parentheses, on the outside. So those are our outer terms. So we have x times 4. Adding to that, our inner terms, which are the ones far in. So we have our 7 and our x. They're the ones all the way on the inside. So these are our inside terms, our inner terms. Okay, so that is 7 times x. And then we're adding our last terms to it. Our last terms are the ones that are on the very end of each parenthesis. So we have our 7 and our 4. Those are our last terms. Okay, so we have 7 times 4. So now when we multiply them out, we have x and x. Remember, we add the exponents for the same base. So that's x squared plus x times 4 is just 4x plus 7 times x is just 7x. And then plus 7 times 4, that's just 28. Now from there, we can combine these two like terms. So we have x squared in the beginning, nothing to go with it, plus we have 4x's plus 7x's. That's a total of 11x. And then we just have 28. The constant comes down. Okay? So we just use the FOIL method to find the product of two binomials.